Hello treasures, welcome back to another video. Someone requested I make a smoothie video that can help her add some weight in the right places, and here we have it. If you are looking to add weight, this video is for you. If you are in fit farm and want to maintain your weight, this video is for you. If you also want to enjoy your life, this video is also for you. Let's get started. To make this smoothie, I'll be using some roasted oats. I have 1 cup of roasted oats there, cashew nut also roasted, and some peel nuts, that is groundnut, roasted groundnut in my Nigerian language. I have yogurt, dates which I soaked to soften, that's dabino. I have some bananas and the evaporated milk. So all I'll do is to add everything into a blender and then blend.